CVE 2025-6965 is a critical memory corruption vulnerability in SQLite versions before 3.50.2. Discovered proactively by Google's Big Sleep AI tool, this flaw could be triggered when the number of SQL aggregate terms exceeds the number of available result columns. Several major Linux distributions, including Ubuntu 20.04 and Oracle Linux 9, have released security advisories and patches to address the issue. The vulnerability affects SQLite, a widely embedded SQL database engine used in countless applications and operating systems. Versions prior to 3.50.2 are impacted. Ubuntu 20.04 patched the flaw under USN 7679-1. Oracle Linux 9 issued ELSA 2025-11 and 992. And a related Node.js runtime package was updated to include the fixed SQLite library. This issue is classified as CVE 197, numeric truncation error, a mismatch between the count of SQL aggregate functions and the defined result columns allows an attacker to overwrite adjacent memory, leading to potential crashes or arbitrary code execution. In SQLite versions before 3.50.2, the internal check that ensures the number of aggregate expressions matches the result column count is flawed. By crafting a query with more aggregate terms than columns, an attacker can corrupt the heap or stack data structures. While exploitation requires the ability to execute or submit SQL, anything from a malformed application request to an embedded SQL call could trigger the error. Successful exploitation can cause denial of service or, in some contexts, lead to execution of arbitrary code in the host process. To mitigate CVE 2025-6965, upgrade SQLite to version 3.50.2 or later, or apply your platform vendor's patches immediately. Ubuntu 20.04 users should install USN 7679-1 updates. Oracle Linux 9 users should apply ELSA 2025-11.992, and any Node.js installations relying on the affected SQLite library must be updated to the patch package. Regularly updating embedded libraries and monitoring vendor security advisories will help prevent similar issues in the future.